Hi, this is Austin Ashbacker. Today I'm going to go over pinpoint functionality within Vermeer Projects with you. So let's get started. So to draw a pinpoint, you're going to start by clicking the pencil tab on the left side of the screen. Select Bore Tools. From there you're going to click the drop down under Obstacles and you're going to see a variety of different options. You can select from pinpoint, circle, rectangle, or polygon. And they all have the same functionality. It's just whether you want to highlight something with a circle or a rectangle, or just want to place that one singular pinpoint. So I'm going to select pinpoint, then I'm going to hover over the map and you're going to see my red pinpoint show up. So I decide where I want to drop that. I click once, my obstacle properties are going to show up. And from here you can see a variety of different information, including our latitude and longitude. So one thing, if you're given a latitude and longitude of maybe a job site and you want to find it, you can drop a pinpoint anywhere on the map, type in those latitudes and longitudes, and select OK, and that pinpoint will go to that latitude and longitude that you have inputted. You have the ability to name this pinpoint if you want to title it something different. You have the ability to add comments to this pinpoint to be able to be more descriptive. Once you have inputted the information that you would like to have attached to this pinpoint, at the bottom of the screen you'll select OK, and your pinpoint will be on your map. That's all we have for this video. We'll see you in the next one.